Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most people live their entire lives trapped inside limitations. They never change. They wake up tired. They work without purpose. They sleep with regret and slowly, silently, their dreams die. But billionaires, they live by a different mental code. Not because they were born special, but because they trained their mind to think differently. This is not a story about money. This is a story about mentality, discipline, sacrifice, and vision. Before wealth exists in the bank, it exists in the mind. A poor mind looks for comfort. A billionaire mind looks for growth. A poor mind asks, how can I avoid pain? A billionaire mind asks, how much pain can I handle to win? They understand one simple law of life. You cannot live a rich life with a simple mindset. Your thoughts become habits. Your habits become actions. Your actions become your future. Change the thinking, and everything else follows. Billionaires do not think in days or weeks, they think in decades. While others chase quick money, they build foundations. They are willing to suffer now so they can live free later. They delay pleasure, they sacrifice comfort, they stay focused when others quit. They understand that success is not fast, it is inevitable when patience meets discipline. Life lesson. If you only think about today, you will struggle forever. If you think about the future, today becomes your weapon. Motivation is emotional, discipline is logical. Billionaires do not rely on feelings, they rely on systems. They wake up early not because they want to, but because they must. They work when it's boring, they continue when it's lonely, they persist when nobody is clapping. They don't ask, do I feel like it today? They ask, does this move me forward? Life lesson. The life you want is hidden inside the work you keep avoiding. Failure destroys weak minds. Failure trains strong ones. Billionaires fail more than normal people, but they fail forward. Each failure teaches them what doesn't work, what needs improvement, what skills are missing. They don't take failure personally, they take it professionally. They never say, I failed. They say, I learned. Life lesson. Fear of failure is fear of growth. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. Billionaires guard their time like their life depends on it. Because it does. They say no offhand. They cut distractions. They avoid meaningless conversations. They understand that every hour wasted is a step away from their vision. They invest time before they ever see results. Life lesson. If you waste time today, you steal from your future self. Billionaires master their emotions. They don't panic in chaos. They don't celebrate too early. They don't let ego make decisions. They stay calm when others are emotional. They stay focused when others are distracted because emotional reactions create permanent damage. Life lesson. The person who controls their emotions controls the situation. Billionaires are students for life. They read, they listen, they observe, they adapt. They understand that the world changes. And those who stop learning become irrelevant. They don't say, I know enough. They say, what can I learn next? Life lesson. Knowledge compounds just like money. Every great vision is mocked at first. People laughed, people doubt, people criticize. Billionaires expect this. They don't need approval. They don't seek validation. They trust their vision even when it makes no sense to others. Life lesson. You will never convince small minds with big dreams. The path to success is lonely. Late nights, early mornings, missed parties, lost relationships. Billionaires accept loneliness as the price of greatness. They know not everyone can go with them. Life lesson. Sometimes you must walk alone to become who you are meant to be. Billionaire mindset is not luck. It is not talent. It is not shortcuts. It is relentless discipline, unshakable belief. Long term thinking, emotional control, daily self improvement. You don't become successful overnight, you become successful one decision at a time. Right now, someone with less talent than you is winning because they decided to think bigger. The question is not, can you succeed? The question is, how badly do you want it? Because the world does not reward intentions, it rewards execution. Think better, act harder, stay consistent, and one day your life will speak louder than your words. If this video inspired you, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, subscribe for more life lessons.